Okay, this is the wind, and it's going very strong here. And my first ever windstorm video of 2025. You can hear the wind is very loud right now. And as you can see, the winds come from the southwest. As you can see for right now. This is, as you can see, the sun is right there. So this is thank God it's so windy. And yeah, this is all because we're under our wind advisory right now. Yeah. This is probably the same wind that we felt in South Dakota. And oh, hold on to your couches. Here it comes. Here we go. Now, show me what you got, wind. Show me what you got. You get nothing on me. Show me what you got, wind. You got nothing on me. And yeah. And that's the way it is. Friday, February 28th, 2025. Goodbye for now. Man. And that's the way it is. Friday, February 28th, 2025. In the words of Walter Cronkite saying, goodbye for now.